Today, we follow the courageous journey of a single woman, a story of resilience and determination. In a clearing surrounded by lush greenery, the resilient woman begins her work. She carefully digs deep holes for the foundation of the house. She then lifts heavy logs and stands them upright, compacting the soil around them to form 4 sturdy corner posts. She skillfully carves grooves in more logs, joining them together to form a sturdy, tall base frame. Using steel wire, she meticulously secures each joint, ensuring the structure is strong and stable. After completing the main foundation, she shifts her focus to the upper structure. Climbing onto the platform, she begins assembling the A-frame of the roof using long bamboo poles. She pulls them into place, tying them tightly to the top of the wooden posts. Gradually, a gnarled roof took shape as she added bamboo, creating a dense network of rafters and purlins. Her work was precise and unhurried. With the main frame and roof structure complete, she began to build the floor. She split the bamboo slats, leveled them, and nailed them down one by one to form a solid foundation. Finally, she began to lay the roof. Carrying large bundles of dry palm leaves, she climbed onto the roof and carefully arranged them on the bamboo grid, starting from the bottom and working her way up. The video ends with a beautifully crafted roof nearly completed, a testament to her incredible skill and perseverance. A skilled woman begins the meticulous work of landscaping her garden. With a trowel in hand, she carefully lays down layers of red bricks, forming low retaining walls for future garden beds. She works methodically along a tall bamboo fence and near the base of a wooden house, ensuring each brick is perfectly placed with fresh mortar. After outlining the beds, she fills them with loose, rich soil, preparing them for planting. With the brick borders completed, she moves on to creating a winding path. She pours wet concrete between the edges of the bricks, spreading them out to create a solid base. To add texture and artistry, she encloses sections of the path with smooth, colorful river stones, pressing them gently into the wet surface. This creates a beautiful mosaic effect, alternating between smooth concrete and decorative pebbles, leading the eye through the garden. The paths meander elegantly, connecting the different areas of the yard in a seamless, organic flow. After completing the hardscaping, the space was ready for life. She filled the newly made pots with rich black soil, preparing a home for her plants. She then brought in a variety of greenery, from lush shrubs to vibrant rose bushes with stunning bright yellow and crimson flowers. Each plant was carefully removed from its pot and placed in the ground. After arranging them perfectly, she gave them her first watering with a watering can to nurture the newly planted plants. Her dedicated efforts transformed the empty plot of land into a beautifully designed and serene garden space. The single woman began her project by creating a beautiful garden pond. After digging a circular hole, she meticulously smoothed a new layer of concrete as a base. With skill and precision, she began building a low circular wall, carefully laying red bricks with mortar. She then built a small, integrated planter box at one end, cleverly incorporating a terracotta pot that would become a decorative water tap. After completing the brickwork, she covered the entire wall with a smooth layer of cement mortar, creating a clean, finished surface. Once the main structure was in place, she breathed life into the scene. She filled the pot with rich soil and arranged a variety of vibrant red and pink flowers, adding a final layer of small white pebbles for decoration. The pond was filled with water and she carefully installed a small pump. After adding a layer of white rocks to the bottom of the pond, she gently released the beautiful goldfish into their new home. Using a thick bamboo pole as the main support, she skillfully constructed a circular frame from thin bamboo sticks. She then wove and attached long, flexible bamboo sticks to form the radiant ribs of the umbrella canopy. Finally, she began the traditional roofing process, covering the frame with large, lush green palm leaves to create a beautiful natural shelter from the sun. The entire space was transformed into a peaceful and idyllic oasis. Single woman. With meticulous brushstrokes, she painted the exterior walls a bright sunny yellow, adding a touch of color to the serene setting. She painstakingly painted the concrete stairs leading up to the kennel's rooftop balcony, making sure every surface was perfectly painted. The wooden railings and slatted door frames were also given a fresh, clean coat of paint. In the rustic outdoor kitchen, under the thatched roof, she prepared a simple but filling meal. She skewered a few sausages on a brick grill, letting them cook to perfection. To accompany her snack, she grabbed a large glass jar filled with homemade crimson juice, pouring herself a refreshing glass. With her drink and grilled sausages, she takes a moment to admire the peaceful garden she has created, stopping by the pond to sprinkle food for the colorful goldfish swimming below. If this inspires you, please like and follow. There are more works of art to come.